Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you're stopping by my channel for the very first time, this is Change Your Look UK, and on today's tutorial I'll be showing you how I make my crochet braid. This came out really beautiful. Pay attention to my cornrow. Yes, that is the game changer. So make sure you cornrow your hair the way I did mine, and then we'll be using this Caribbean curls. It's really beautiful. It came out really beautiful. The little problem is that it's a little bit silky, so there are method that works on this style of extension, so just watch carefully. The first method I'm actually installing right now, it does not work. I know a lot of you like to install your crochet this way, but it doesn't work. Even if you go ahead and knot it once, it still will unravel because the extension is a bit silky. Please pay attention to this. So I'm going to take it off, and then I will try another method which doesn't work as well on this particular extension. If you're trying to use this extension, please pay attention. So this one I'm doing right now, this one I'm installing right now, it still does not work. This method does not work as well. It's going to unravel as well. So I'm going to take it off, and then I'm going to try the third method. This third method actually works. That's the perfect method for this extension, this particular extension. It works very well, and it works for other crochet as well. If you're making some other crochet, it works as well. If you pay attention to my fingers and listen to what I'm saying, I bet you if you try to make your crochet, the next crochet you're going to make is going to come out fab. Seriously, believe me on that. I'm good at this. I've been doing this for many years, so I know what I'm talking about. So just pay attention to what I am doing. Pay attention to my finger, and you understand what I'm doing and why it works. So just see the way I roll. I knot the extension into the knot of that of the extension, and then pull it back. That was what worked. So if you have to wash this, that's what actually worked before I bite my tongue. So if you have to watch this over and over again, please do. And I'm going to be slow with it so you can actually take note of what I am doing. But this came out really beautiful. I would really advise that you watch to the end of it so you can see the end result is gorgeous. The way I actually cornrow this the crocheted, I've never paid attention to anyone. I've never seen anyone, let me say, I've never seen anyone cornrow their crochet this way. If you've seen anyone done it just the way I did it, the way I cornrow the braids, please leave a comment in the comment section below. I want to know, because I used to do this back in Nigeria, so I'm just doing it for the first time on a cam. That's why I'm asking. I don't know if anyone does it the same way, because I just sit down and visualize what will work, and then I put it into practice, and then it comes out really good. And if you do like big volume hair, you're going to love this extension. It came out really beautiful, and it runs big. The volume is big. And also, if you don't like your hair to be too big, you can reduce the volume by applying a styling mousse on the extension, and the volume will reduce. This extension is really beautiful. The crochet looks very good. It doesn't really look like a crochet. It looks as if the client is having a pick and drop, or the client is wearing a wig. That's how it actually looked by the time I was done. It really looks very good, and my client was very happy about it. So guys, I would strongly advise that you watch the video to the very end for you to see how the finished look, how it actually looked by the time I was done. And at the end of the video, I also styled the extension, so you can see how I do that as well, just to know if it's something you would like to try. But the extension is really very good. I like it. So if you're based in Manchester and you would like to book a session with us, I'll be leaving our Instagram handle in the description section. Don't hesitate to click on it, and it will take you to Instagram for you to DM us to book a session with us. And if you are stumbling on my channel for the very first time and you've not subscribed to my channel, please support me by hitting on the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, if you've watched the video to the end and you think you like the video, please don't hesitate to give the video a thumbs up, and also drop a comment in the comment section below. I want to know what you think about this crochet tutorial. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Please, I want to know your thoughts. Just drop a comment in the comment section below. And thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll leave you guys to watch the rest of the video.
butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.